In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the export location in Premiere Pro. To do so, let's go to File, then Export, then Media. Once you're in Media, you will click on the output name, and it will open a Windows Explorer, and you can navigate to where you want to save the file. And you can also change the file name here. And once you're done, just press Save, and that's your new location. Then go ahead and export your video. Now let's just go to the home screen. And as you can see, I exported on the desktop instead. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment if you want me to show you how to do something specific.